What's good, y'all? It's Fresco BK for Stadium Goods, and today we're unboxing the update to a classic and one of the most anticipated releases of 2021 with the Air Jordan 1 Bred patent. I know y'all want to see what that looks like, so say less or all this talking. Yo, let's get straight to these shoes. First off, it's fairly interesting that the Bred Air Jordan 1 is not the first Air Jordan silhouette to bear the Bred nickname. That is the Bred 11. However, the black and red Air Jordan 1 that originally released to us in 1985 is also known as the Band Air Jordan 1, and it is designed by Bruce Kilgore. Now, we all know the skeptical story of the Band Air Jordan 1, but since its inception, we've seen several retros coming in 2001, 2011, 2013, and most recently in 2016 with the Satin Bred and also the Band Air Jordan 1. Fast forward to 2021, and here we have the Bred patent Air Jordan 1. And take a look at the box top. Very similar to the classic matte black styles, but this one features a glossy coat on the finish. But let's get to these shoes, and here is your first look at the Bred patent Air Jordan 1 High. So the Bred patent Air Jordan 1 is the same exact color blocking as all the Bred retros that precede this. So we'll see the Wings logo right there on that outer panel. We have the Nike Air on the tongue, red swoosh, full patent leather throughout the entire upper. So toe box, the overlay of the toe box, completely full patent leather, white midsole, finished off by the red outsole. But as we transition to the right foot, it features the metallic Jumpman hang tag there. And also another cool detail that's featured on both shoes is on this insert here, right in the tongue area, it features an embroidery that reads family. These shoes also feature an additional set of red laces. However, the 2016 band pair was full tumble leather, and it featured the date that the Air shipped was banned by the NBA, 10/18/84. So 10/18/84 on the 2016, and the family on the collar of the 2021. I'm not sure which one I'm leaning towards. The patent leather is fire, but the 2016 is so classic. But either way, we have both of these available right here at Stadium Goods, located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, or 60 East Walton Street in Chicago's Gold Coast area, and tell them that Fresco sent you. But if you can't make it to the store, please visit stadiumgoods.com or download the Stadium Goods app, available on iOS and on Android, because we update the app daily with kicks, fits, and apparel, all from Stadium Goods. So we've taken the first look at the Bred patent Air Jordan 1. I am Fresco BK. Salud.